Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a term we hear almost every day, but what does it really mean? In this video, we'll break down how AI works from the basics to the more complex ideas. Whether you're curious about the technology behind your smartphone or you want to understand the future of automation, this journey will give you a clear picture. Let's start by exploring what AI actually is and why it's become such a big part of our lives. As we move forward, you'll see how AI is more than just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool shaping our world. At its core, artificial intelligence refers to machines or software that can perform tasks which typically require human intelligence. This includes things like recognizing speech, understanding images, making decisions, and even learning from experience. AI systems are designed to mimic certain aspects of human thinking, but they do so using mathematical models and vast amounts of data. As we continue, you'll see how these systems are built and why they're so effective at handling complex problems. AI isn't just one thing, it comes in different forms. The most common types are narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to do specific tasks, like recommending movies or recognizing faces in photos. General AI, on the other hand, would be able to perform any intellectual task a human can do, but we haven't reached that level yet. Most of the AI we use today is narrow AI, and it's already making a big impact on our daily lives. Data is the fuel that powers AI. Every time you use your phone, browse the internet, or shop online, you're generating data. AI systems use this data to learn patterns and make predictions. The more data they have, the better they get at understanding and responding to new situations. This is why companies collect so much information. It helps their AI systems improve and offer better services. One of the most important branches of AI is machine learning. This is where computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every task. Instead, they use algorithms to find patterns and make decisions. For example, a machine learning system can learn to recognize cats in photos by analyzing thousands of images. Over time, it gets better at spotting cats, even in new pictures it's never seen before. Algorithms are the step-by-step instructions that guide AI systems. Think of them as recipes for solving problems. In machine learning, algorithms process data, look for patterns, and adjust their approach based on what they find. Some algorithms are simple while others are incredibly complex, but all of them help AI systems make sense of the world and improve over time. Neural networks are a special kind of machine learning algorithm inspired by the human brain. They consist of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that process information. By passing data through these layers, neural networks can learn to recognize complex patterns like voices or handwriting. This technology is behind many of the most impressive AI applications today. Training an AI model means teaching it to perform a specific task. This usually involves feeding it lots of data and letting it learn from examples. For instance, to train a model to recognize dogs, you'd show it thousands of dog photos. The model adjusts its internal settings until it can accurately identify dogs in new images. This process is repeated until the AI reaches a high level of accuracy. Supervised learning is a common way to train AI. In this approach, the AI is given labeled data, meaning each example comes with the correct answer. The system learns to match inputs to outputs, like matching photos to the correct animal. Over time, it gets better at making predictions, thanks to the feedback it receives during training. Unsupervised learning is another method where the AI is given data without any labels. The system tries to find patterns or group similar items together on its own. This approach is useful for discovering hidden structures in data, like grouping customers with similar shopping habits. It's a powerful way for AI to learn without explicit instructions. Reinforcement learning is inspired by how animals learn through trial and error. In this approach, the AI receives rewards or penalties based on its actions. Over time, it learns to make better decisions to maximize its rewards. This method is often used in robotics and game-playing AI, where the system must adapt to changing environments. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses very large neural networks with many layers. This approach has led to breakthroughs in areas like speech recognition, image analysis, and natural language processing. Deep learning models can handle huge amounts of data and learn incredibly complex patterns, making them the backbone of many modern AI applications. Natural language processing, or NLP, is the branch of AI that deals with understanding and generating human language. It's what allows AI to translate languages, answer questions, and even write articles. NLP combines machine learning with linguistic rules to make sense of words, sentences, and meaning. This technology powers chatbots, virtual assistants, and more. Computer vision is another exciting field of AI. It enables machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world, like photos and videos. By analyzing pixels and patterns, computer vision systems can recognize objects, track movements, and even detect emotions. This technology is used in everything from self-driving cars to facial recognition software. Speech recognition allows AI to understand and process spoken language. This technology converts audio signals into text, enabling voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to respond to your commands. Speech recognition relies on deep learning models trained on thousands of hours of audio data, making it increasingly accurate and reliable. AI is all around us, often in ways we don't even notice. From recommending what to watch next on streaming platforms to filtering spam emails, AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. It's also used in navigation apps, online shopping, and even healthcare. As AI continues to evolve, its presence in our daily routines will only grow. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing the way doctors diagnose and treat patients. AI systems can analyze medical images, predict disease outbreaks, and even suggest personalized treatment plans. By processing vast amounts of medical data, AI helps healthcare professionals make faster, more accurate decisions, ultimately improving patient outcomes. AI is transforming transportation, making it safer and more efficient. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make split-second decisions. AI also helps optimize public transport routes and manage traffic flow in busy cities. As technology advances, we can expect even smarter and more reliable transportation systems. Finance industry relies heavily on AI for tasks like fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. AI systems can analyze market trends, detect unusual transactions, and even predict stock prices. By automating these processes, financial institutions can operate more efficiently and securely. Entertainment platforms use AI to personalize your experience. Whether it's recommending movies, creating music playlists, or even generating new content, AI analyzes your preferences and tailors suggestions just for you. This makes discovering new entertainment easier and more enjoyable. Online shopping has been transformed by AI. From personalized product recommendations to chatbots that assist with customer service, AI is making e-commerce faster and more convenient. AI also helps manage inventory, predict trends, and optimize pricing, ensuring a better experience for both shoppers and businesses. Education is another area where AI is making a difference. Intelligent tutoring systems can adapt to each student's learning style, providing personalized feedback and support. AI also helps automate grading and identify students who may need extra help, making education more accessible and effective. Despite its many benefits, AI also comes with challenges. These include concerns about privacy, security, and the potential for bias in decision-making. It's important to ensure that AI systems are transparent, fair, and accountable. As we continue to develop AI, addressing these challenges will be crucial for building trust and ensuring positive outcomes. Ethical considerations are at the heart of AI development. Questions about how AI should be used, who is responsible for its decisions, and how to prevent misuse are more important than ever. Developers and policymakers are working together to create guidelines that ensure AI is used responsibly and benefits everyone. Future of AI is full of possibilities. As technology advances, we can expect AI to become even more powerful and integrated into our lives. From smarter personal assistants to breakthroughs in medicine and science, AI will continue to shape the way we live and work. Staying informed and engaged with these changes will help us make the most of what AI has to offer. AI isn't here to replace humans, it's here to work alongside us. By automating repetitive tasks and providing insights, AI frees us to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and building relationships. The best results come when humans and AI collaborate, combining our strengths for greater impact. AI is also making waves in creative fields. From composing music to generating artwork, AI tools are helping artists push boundaries and explore new ideas. These systems can analyze styles, suggest improvements, and even create original pieces, showing that creativity isn't limited to humans alone. AI is being used to tackle environmental challenges, from predicting climate patterns to optimizing energy use. By analyzing data from sensors and satellites, AI can help us better understand our planet and make smarter decisions about conservation and sustainability. Security is a major area where AI is making a difference. AI systems can detect cyber threats, monitor networks, and respond to attacks faster than humans alone. By staying ahead of potential risks, AI helps protect our data and keep our digital lives safe. Sum up, AI is a powerful technology that's changing the world in countless ways. From healthcare and transportation to entertainment and education, its impact is everywhere. Understanding how AI works helps us appreciate its potential and prepare for the future. As we continue to innovate and address challenges, AI will remain a key driver of progress and opportunity.